Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to describe tips for finding an IT job here in Canada. So I wanted to make this video for a while, but I thought like I'll share. So guys, I have like 11 more than 13 years or now almost of stay here in Canada. I have worked for multiple organizations and I have secured some job interviews, have selected some. I refused to join some, and then I joined finally one organization. So I'm gonna share some tips with you. First of all, guys, nowadays jobs are very less and people applying for those jobs are too high. So don't get surprised if employers are no longer using manual methods, instead AI and other automated tools to filter CVs. So another thing you should understand is your first expression in most of the cases is your last expression. So the first expression of your CV could be the last expression for your CV for any job opening. So you have to make something so that you stand out. Okay. Now when you write your CV, do not write too much of description. Nobody has time to read 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 pages of CV. Nobody has time that. Write in a very concise and clear way. Okay. You will have lot of professional resume builders online that you can use to leverage this facility. However, one important thing that I have seen even highly qualified and potential job applicants miss, and they end up losing an interview call, is to not including your cover letter. Before an employer picks your CV, they take a look at your cover letter. Okay. So in your cover letter, this is an excellent opportunity for you to showcase how you can be a fit for that role. Okay. For example, let's say you're applying for any Microsoft role. Do you have any relevant certifications, any awards, anything that you have done? Make a table, write it down when you achieved what it is and this. And believe me, guys, this makes you stand away from the crowd. It has happened with me. Like in 2 organizations where I was interviewed, and out of that one I accepted, one job offer I accepted. They clearly told me that because of the certifications I had, they picked up my CV because no other candidate had those many certifications that I had. So showcase them very properly, and just like as I said, point wise, and use professional CV builders. Applying to jobs, I would say, before you blindly apply to any job, see the job description. What are they looking for? Make sure you write your CV in that way. Okay. As same thing about your cover letter too. It should not be like a one. It's never like a one fit for all. So you have to invest some time in researching what they're looking for, and you need to write according to that so that they actually pick you up for the interview. For interview, once you go through the interview, it's altogether a different story. I'm not going to cover into that. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a subscribe and please share. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.